Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this XIAOMI. You need to start by accessing device's settings. After that, scroll down just a bit and click on display. Then scroll down again and tap on text size. After that, you need to swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview here, and when you're ready, tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!